In this video, we are going to see how we can add or enable the Coming Soon page on WordPress without using any other extra plugin, but with the help of Elementor. Go to Elementor and select Tools options. Now select the Maintenance tab. Here you will see different options regarding website maintenance or coming soon. First of all, we need to create a template page. Click on Create One button. Give your template a name. Click on Edit with Elementor. Once the Elementor editor is loaded, go to the page settings and set the page layout to the Elementor canvas. You can also enable the Hide Title button. Now add a container. Make it full width. And set the height of the container to 100 VH. Now go to the style of the container, and in the background you can add image, gradient, video and much more. But I want to add a video. I already upload the video to the media. Just copy the link of the video and paste it here. Our video is now showing. Let's add some text here. You can add any text you want according to your need. Once you add the text, click on Publish button to save the change. Now go back to Tools and refresh the page once. Select the Choose Mode to Coming Soon and select the template you have just created like this. Once you're done, click on Save Changes. You will see Maintenance Mode on message is now showing. Let's preview our changes in private window. As you can see, we successfully add the Coming Soon template page on our website.